In today's Capital Food Adventure,
we're gonna try Shaanxi cuisine.
But first,
passports?
Check.
Bags packed?
Check.
Zanzibar! Alright, we're on our way to Xi'an. It's going to be so good. I hear that the weather's going to be really nice as well. Let's go check it out.
I'm going to Xi'an City.
Cindy, where are we?
We are in a Tianjin train station.
Wonderful. And how is it?
It's clean and has Starbucks.
There's a Starbucks over that way. And it's big and open. There's food. I don't see anything crazy.
iPhone 7.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
Wow, you're eating some train food. What are you having?
Train food is from the delivery. So actually in China we can deliver it to train like this.
okay, so we've arrived at Xi'an train station. It looks very similar to the train station back in Tianjin, so we won't film too much of it, but it's pretty big, and because it's around 3 o'clock, there's a lot of people around here.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my
So we are going to this one called Xiangzi. Check this one is like the number one online. It has some Biyang Biyang Mian and some other interesting dishes, especially from Shaanxi. Let's check it out. It's so complicated. I can't even write it.
there goes a sight from my soul.
I'm about to give this Baoji beer a try. It's brewed locally in Xi'an. Smells delicious, nice and clear. Oh my gosh, today it was 35 degrees. This is the most refreshing drink you could ever wish for. Cheers.
So it's a new type of summertime, it's local summertime. I have never tried this before. Simply is a popular brand in Xi'an. Let me have a try. It's pretty good.
Cool.
Sweeter than the one in Beijing. It's pretty good, I like it.
Yum.
Planning a trip to Xi'an to see those terracotta warriors? Rest assured, there are plenty of great places to eat. Yum.
So I've got this beautiful Biyang Biyang men. So one of the good things about Biyang Biyang men is that the noodles are really, really nice and fat. I love it, like they're just huge. So they've got this nice coating of this oil and little bits of tomato and some other toppings as well. So Biyang Biyang Men essentially has a couple of different types of toppings in it. I'm gonna give this noodle a try because it looks so delicious. Biyang Biyang delicious.
Top 1 in this restaurant and top 5 in Shaanxi. It looks really crispy outside and very tender inside.
There goes a sight from my
It smells really good. Very, very tender inside.
Alright, we just had some delicious dinner. It was crazy good, right Cindy?
Crazy good. I'm so full right now. I like the chicken.
I know, right? It was so good. I think that was, of all the places we've eaten so far, that one was probably one of my favorites.
It's the
I say that with about every place.
Yeah, every place, but that's the legit Xi'an food. If you like Xi'an food, if you like chicken, please try this out.
Definitely.
And remember to use some special app called 大众点评 to give you a big discount.
We'll put the link in the description.
I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by.